feeling.
Right, so we have planned to go for boating right now, and there are boats behind me. Yeah, that's where we are planning to go. So as you can see, there are a couple of boats. We have spoke with the guy, and he's charging something around $300 per head for boating. So my friends are, they're just talking. Maybe we should consider that. So it would be an easy way to go to the beaches. So let's see if it is possible. We'll go for the boating. So we are in the boat. Let's go. Finally, yeah, हम लोग जा रहे हैं. We decided to go. So let's go. Let's wear the jacket. Let's wear the life jacket and then we'll leave. Hey, आगे बैठेंगे. चलो आगे बैठेंगे. I'll wear the jacket and I'll talk to you guys.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
So wearing my life jacket is done. So yeah, let's go.
वहाँ बैठ सकते हैं?
हाँ बैठ सकते हैं. Okay, let's sit here. The first. Yeah. चलो.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So my boating is done. It was a lovely experience. I hope you liked it. and I tried to capture some dolphins, but I'm not sure if they got captured in the GoPro. I'm not sure. I'll just see in the time of editing. I'll just check if there are dolphins. Chalo, let's go. Right, so we are trying to go to that rock. Let's go to that rock and enjoy the sunset. We're done playing at the beach, we're done with the boating, so let's go and enjoy the sunset. Chalo.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Finally we came to the rock. I didn't know how deep it was, so it was scary, but that's okay now.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words.
Alright, so the sun is almost down, but the lifeguard is not allowing us to stay anymore here because the water level is increasing right now. So we are heading back to the beach. The beach is there. You have to just walk through the water. So yeah,
If you guys like the video, please subscribe and
share the video
share the
with your
video
friends.
and support him. So
Just give a like
Yeah,
symbol,
give a
okay?
thumbs
Just
up, please.
Just give a thumbs up, okay?
thank you guys.
See ya. Bye bye.
Messing with my head again.